it's Dan here for GPT for Sheets. I want to show you how to use a new function that we have released earlier this week that I think is really cool. It is called GPT fill. So you write it like that, GPT fill. And basically what it allows you to do is give some examples to GPT. So here I am selecting two examples, one with 2 rows with one product name and one product description. And then I will want to fill the following rows where I only have the product name. And I will just enter, and in a few seconds we will have the results. And there we go. So now we have a description for a pineapple, for a pear, and as you can see, it doesn't only work with fruits, it works with any product. So if you have a product list that you want to fill out with some holes in the descriptions, this can be super useful. And all you have to do is give it some examples, and it will work out well if it can understand what the product is. So what else can you do with that? Well, here I have a list of emails. As you can see, so these are all fake emails, of course, but let's say that you copy pasted that from a Gmail thread or something, and you cannot use those emails as they are. You need to remove all the quotes and weird stuff that's in there. So I put a few examples manually here of what I would expect to be the results, and then all I need to do is, again, type GPT fill, give it the example range, then I need to give it, oops, made a mistake here. So, no, not that. Okay, sorry about this. Not sure what happened there. Okay, so I gave 4 examples, and then I want to fill this range here. Again, we wait a few seconds, and boom, and as you can see, it has correctly extracted all the emails from each line here. So very powerful. Okay, now let's say that you have some names that include some titles or some emojis, as some people do on LinkedIn sometimes, and you just want to extract like the complete full name. So all you have to do again is provide the examples to GPT, fill, okay, 3 examples, and then I add the rows I want to fill, and it will fill out my rectangle, and there we go. So it works really well. And one last example, you actually do not, it can even work with if you want to fill the whole row. So here, say that I have some fake data and I want to add a few more rows. So what I will do is I will do GPT fill, give the examples, and then give nothing here, and I would put 1 in temperature so that it is creative with the fake data. Okay. So what it will do, since we did not give a column of partial rows, then it will only fill 1 row. So now I need to drag the formula a little bit to get more rows, and it will gradually fill it out. If you get some errors, it's just because it's working out gradually, but don't worry, it will work. All of it will work in the end. So as you can see, this is a super powerful function which takes advantage of the fact that actually GPT works very well with examples. It works even better than giving instructions usually. Giving examples is a much better way than giving an instruction. So I hope you like this function. Please give me feedback in the comments, and sign up to the channel for other news soon. Bye-bye.